To do a purl front and back, or PFB, you're first going to do a purl stitch as usual, but you are not going to drop that original stitch from the needle. Instead, with your right needle, you're going to come around back of the stitch and purl into the back loop of the original stitch. So you now have 2 stitches, and you can drop that original stitch off of your needle. So again, front and then around back, and you want to make sure that you don't come through both legs. You're just coming through that one leg. Now both of the stitches are done. You're going to take the original stitch off the needle. To do a purl back front, you're going to do your first stitch as a purl through the back loop, and that original stitch is going to stay on your needles, and now come around to the front and purl through the front loop. So again, a purl back front. This is the back first, that's through the back loop first, and then through the front loop. So as in with the knit front and back and the knit back and front, this first one, the purl, the PFB, the purl front back, does not twist that original stitch, but the purl back front does twist the original stitch.